fall. That's the Peterbilt I'm talking about. That's hard. I had to run. I had to back up. Or not. Nice! Nice! Nice horn! That's an old one. Right there for truck boy. Right there for truck boy. If you... There we go. There we go. Wanna do it? Excuse me, but okay. So we have an RV. I actually never got them before. How cool is that? Scratch that, no RV. I think we'll actually do it though. Let's try. It's kind of busy. Alright, Kenworth. But you're turning the other way. How dare you? Well, if he's tired, then that's the way to go. He's... Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, buddy. Thank you. Oh, wow. Here we go, guys. Let's do it. That's how we do it. We get them good rigs. Uh-oh. You first. Holy moly, never got that before. Something like that. Got a horn? Got a horn. Watch out for that dog down there. It's a little chihuahua like mine. Actually, Bob's actually doing quite great. Oh, shoot. Okay. You're not blocking my view. Happy. Last track car video, it happened. Wasn't. Be a cool horn, though. That made me jump. Oh no, 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 no. It's like my word. David, I ran for you. That's okay. Let's see if it will honk. Ooh. That's what I want when I grow up, right here. That nice flatbed. It's my dream truck. I'm excited. Boy! Boy! You didn't even see me. Okay. Alright, let's do the competition. Which horn is better, the Volvo? Pretty normal. And we have an international pro star coming up. So let's see what's also better. And we also have a Freightliner Columbia here, which is coming down the road with some pretty fancy horns. So let's see if it will honk today. And let's see which is better. Volvo versus Freightliner versus... That's what I'm talking about. So we also got that International Pro Star, which is coming. Beautiful flatbed though. Oh no 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 no. Oh God! And we have a mini loud DD. Oh! Okay, we're done here. Honk. We're done here. We're done.